Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity and welcome to a Boxycharm unboxing video. I just got it in the mail just like an hour ago. Just put the kiddos down to bed. So let's just jump right into it and see what I got in this month's box. Before I dive in, I do want to kind of go over some facts about the box because I feel like I'm a horrible YouTuber when it comes to that. So I get the base box sent to me every month. I get it as PR, but you would pay $25 for the box you're going to see me get today. And it says you get about five full-size items, and it ranges anywhere like in value from like 120 I would say to like maybe 150 sometimes. But if you want even more makeup, you can subscribe to Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size items, which of course has a higher value price. And then on top of all that, you can sign up for Boxy Luxe. And Boxy Luxe is only sent every 3 months, and you get 8 to 9 full-size items for an additional $29 or $24.99 added to the boxes that you have. So you kind of get a little upgrade every 3 months, and then the other 2 months you get either your Boxy base box or your Boxy Premium. So that's kind of the breakdown of it. I always have the links listed down below. I did also want to say that they are having a Boxy pop-up, which is where they just have a variety of makeup at a heavy discount for subscribers of Boxycharm, but that is going to be May 11th on a Monday if you were curious. But yeah, let's go ahead and just jump right in. I just want to throw that out because I feel like I always glaze over the details of Boxycharm. But anyway, this is my box, and also I did want to say I always get questions how much my box weighs. They say you can check it in the email. I mean, if anyone wants to DM me, I'll show you my email. I cannot find the details of how much this weighs anywhere in my email. I just get a link to the tracking, and I click the tracking, and nowhere on there does it tell me the weight. And then looking on here, I look so many times, I don't see the weight anywhere. So I am so sorry, I can't tell you how much my box weighs. But opening it up, I will actually remember this time to tell you guys, wait, this is a little bit smaller, let's see. Oh, this is just a little reminder that I need to be disclosing that I received these for free, which I always do. It says you need to use the hashtag gifted by Boxycharm. I usually say PR gift or whatever, or just tell you guys verbally. But anyway, let's see if I have the little, I don't think I have a little info card. So I can't even tell you guys what variation I'm getting this month. So I don't have an info card, but let's just keep on going. The first thing that I see is the biggest one. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Miceller Magic Makeup and Removing Cleanser. This is interesting. I don't think I would have like seen this for sale and wanted to buy it, but now that I have it, I'm excited. I get ready in the morning and I come here at my makeup table, but I get ready very early in the morning, so I like to have something. I've been using this little niacinamide brightening toner to just kind of cleanse my face. I don't really like to wash it in the morning, just something to cleanse it before I put on my daytime moisturizer. So this will be perfect for that. Okay, just doing a quick little Google search. I think this retails for $18, so that is what we got going on so far, and hopefully these prices are right. Like I said, I'm doing a very quick Google search. But next thing in the box is a Jouer Sheer Pigment Lip Gloss with Coconut Oil. This is in the shade Via Condati, I think. Very intense. Like, this is a dark purple color. Wow. Let me see how much this retails for. Okay, so these retail for $17, and I'm kind of scared, but I'm going to give it a try. I'm always intrigued at Jouer's formulas. Okay, that's not, was I even in frame? I'm so sorry. Not as scary once I swatch it out, because like in here it's like black, but it's like a pretty mauve-y purple even. It's definitely purple leaning, but not as scary and intense as it looks in the tube. So I'll definitely give that a try. That'll be fun to try. I'm excited for that. Next up, I have the Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer. Interesting. I love eyeshadow primers. I'm always intrigued to try a new one. Let's see if this one has any color to it. No, it kind of looks like it kind of looks like the Lorac Behind the Scenes eyeshadow primers, Milani's eyeshadow primer, and Smashbox eyeshadow primer. It just goes on clear, and I like those because those do a really good job, in my opinion, of really keeping back the oils from coming through and creasing. It looks like it retails for $22. Let me see if it says how many ounces. 0.33 fluid ounces. Yep, 0.3. Okay, so this retails for $22. And that's honestly a really awesome deal because eyeshadow primer is one of those things that for me it's a necessity. I have to have an eyeshadow primer or my eyeshadows will crease and fade and whatnot. But it's kind of a boring thing to spend money on, so I'm totally cool getting it in a box. We also got something from Hourglass. This is the Flash Highlighting Stick in Vanish, I think? No. Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick, I think is what it's called, and it is in the shade Champagne Flash. I don't know why I was so confused. In the signature kind of triangular, different type of shape. Let's see if I can open this nicely. Nope. I don't think I did that though. feel like that wasn't me because I opened, anyway, regardless, it did kind of squash the tip. So I don't know, it's already ruined. I guess I can't really save it for a giveaway just because I'm not into cream products. But you know what? Like I said, the tip's already ruined. We might as well give it a try. There's what we have. Can you guys even see that? Let me swatch it somewhere that's a little bit easier. Whoops, to see the reflection from this. Is that better? That's pretty. Definitely looks pretty. I'll have to see if I can remember to try it out and give it a try this month because I feel like I always forget, but that's exciting to try. And Hourglass Cosmetics, you know it's gonna be pricey. Let me look it up real quick. Okay, so it appears to be $42. Wow, is that $42? Definitely would not spend that amount of money. Honestly, this one is one I wouldn't be super excited about. If I had purchased the box, I probably would have put this like on Poshmark or Mercari or something to try and sell it and get, you know, a little bit of the money back on this box, just because I'm not super into cream products. But it is a nice value of the box, and if you are into creams, that would be really exciting. But for me, it's just kind of like, I'll give it a try and see. Okay, last up in my box, 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 5, is this Blinc Lash Primer Jet Black Volume. It's a black lash primer. Didn't even show you guys. Okay, so it says here that this retails for $26, but let me see if this is full size, because this is just kind of looks small, if you guys can see. So I feel like I mean, it's not that small as like a deluxe. Let me see what the full size is. Okay, so it says full size is 0.16 fluid ounces. Okay, this is a full size, 0.16 fluid ounces. So it retails for $26. I'm curious about this because I'm that person that, like, I'm not sure if I believe in eyelash primer or eyelash mascara primer, because I feel like, especially the white ones, it seems like a lot more hassle for what you could just get 2 mascaras. Like from the drugstore, buy a mascara that's very volumizing and then buy a mascara that's very lengthening. Use the lengthening first to really, you know, separate and coat your lashes, and then use the volumizing to really plump it up. And I feel like you get the same effect as one of those lash primers that you do first and then you do mascara afterwards, if that makes sense. So I'm not sure I believe in, you know, mascara primer, but I am curious. And because this is black, I definitely am going to try it. I feel like I'm just so tired of white ones, because the thing is with white ones, when you coat it through, it takes so much work afterwards when you're putting on your mascara to coat and make sure you fully cover the white, because it's so stark of a contrast on your lashes when it's white. But black I'm totally down for, because you don't have to sit there and work to cover up all the white mascara primer because it's black. So I'll definitely give this a try. I don't think I really held it up and showed you, but it's definitely promising. It's one of those mascara wands that isn't a natural brush. It's like a plastic tip brush, and it has bristles on 2 sides, but then the other 2 sides are flat. So I feel like that'd be really good for kind of combing through and then turning it to that flat side and really pressing it up and through your lashes. I don't know, I'll have to see. It's definitely a unique type of comb, and I am excited to try this. Okay, so that's everything I got in my box. I got the Hourglass stick highlighter, I got the mascara primer, the lip gloss, the micellar water, and the eyeshadow primer. I would say, like, if I'm bought this, so I'm going to try to be a lot better, because I feel like I'm really bad at this. I kind of just say, oh, it's nice. But I'm really going to try to review this and look at this box from the vantage point of, if I bought it, would I be happy with this box? And I think if I paid $25, I would be pretty happy, because I got a primer that I can use, and I enjoy trying new primers, and I haven't tried this one. And I got a micellar water that I can use. Both of these are products that I don't enjoy spending money on. And if I bought these 2 separately, it would have been more than $25. So they're practical purchases. The lip gloss, can't say I would ever purchase this, but I enjoy getting lip glosses and lip products in these type of subscription boxes, because I just don't really, I'd rather spend my money on eyeshadow palettes. So the fact that I get a different color, because I don't really think I have a color quite like this in a lip gloss form, so that'll be nice. I'm excited for that. And then this, I'll give it a try. This is nothing I would have bought or sought out, but since it came in this, I'm not mad at it. The only thing that really is, honestly, for me, a huge dud is the stick highlighter, just because I'm not a cream person. But let me go ahead and add up the total. So the value of today's box was $125, right on the money of what I feel like their base boxes typically value at. So not bad at all. For me personally, though, the value isn't as crazy as like all around, because the one product that it was a dud for me in this box is the most expensive. So for me, if I had purchased this box, I would have paid $25 and would have gotten $83 worth of products of stuff I would use. Now, if I bought it, I probably would have honestly maybe not even tried the mascara, because I feel like I have a lot of mascara. So let me let me take that off. So minusing that, it was $57. So paying $25 for $57 is still, I mean, you're saving money. It's over half the value. So overall, not a very exciting box, but it definitely is, for me personally, more of a practical box because I get some practical things I don't like to spend my money on. And even lip gloss. I'm not someone who likes to spend their money on lip gloss, but I've definitely been getting into it more. So I got some more practical things that I don't like to spend money on them. And I would have got it if I bought this box. I would have got it for $25, which I think would have been a steal. So overall, I feel like this box for me this month was, it was nice. It was just okay. I don't even know the theme for this box because I didn't get my card, and I can't tell you guys the variation of my box because I don't have a card. But yeah, that is going to do it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see what came in my box. If you are subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know down below if you're getting the base box or if you're getting the premium box. Are you signed up for Boxy Luxe? I can't remember. I don't think it's going out this month. I think it's next month. I can't remember, but let me know if you are a Boxy Luxe subscriber. I just get the base box sent to me from Boxycharm as PR, so I always like to sit down and unbox it when they do send it to me, and we'll see if I get to unbox it next month. But let me know what you guys think. Would you have been happy, even if you're not, signed up and a subscriber of Boxycharm, would you have been happy if you got this box? Would you have been excited for these products? For me personally, it's just kind of like, it's a nice box. I wouldn't have been totally mad if I had spent my own money. I wouldn't have been totally upset at it because, like I said, I got some practical things that I can use for cheaper than if I just bought them from Sephora or something like that. So that is really awesome. But anyway, yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did enjoy it or just found it entertaining, please hit the thumbs up button down below before you go because it just helps me in the whole YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to check out another one of my videos. I am doing a giveaway right now. If you want to enter that giveaway, I'll have it up here somewhere. There are 2 winners, and also there is a giveaway going on my Instagram page, so that makes 3 winners. If you want to check that out, you can do that. But yeah, that's going to be it for now. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.